They tell me I need to escape, man. Sometimes that's even harder to do when you're always stuck in your mind. Huh? Every day I'm really trying to escape. Every day smoking the blunt to the face. Every day smoking the blunt to the face, trying to escape. Every day I'm trying to escape all this pain. Every day I'm smoking the blunt to the face. Landing it up and smoking it down. Trying to put my feelings down. Trying to take these emotions and drown them out. Without the marijuana, man, I be burning, fell like the pound. Without the marijuana, I'm burning it, fell like the pound. I can't slow down. I know they be hot on my heel. In my time, I know I've been destined to win. Deep in the field, I lost my heart. You know that I got my back when I lost my heart up in these tracks. Hey, let the song speak. Hey, can I slow down so many enemies? You know that that's before my time, the deep up in the country town. Yeah, in the streets, I paid the way for everybody that really fuck with me. Hey, I'm smoking the blunt to the face. Smoking the blunt to the face. Hey, trying to erase the pain. I'm trying to erase all this pain. Lost a lot, but still got a lot to gain. You know, through that rain, yeah, I made a change. They didn't want to help, can't you forget up in the game? So I stepped up in the game and made my own way, now I'm back. I cannot slow down, you know I've been blessed in these tracks. You know that I've been really trying to get my life back on track. And I really did it with my rap, so you know that all the pain I be escaping. Hey, at the end of the tunnel, a king came out. At the end of the tunnel, a king came out. You know that I'm standing tall on my verses. You know that they want me down, deep up in the hearse, man. I cannot go out like that. Hey, with all these tracks, I be escaping everything that I seen in the dark path. Fuck what I seen, what I felt, and what I went through. You know that it hurt me deeper than anything that I would go through. You know that it is okay, I'm making history every day. That's why my wordplay, hey, I did it for everything. They couldn't do it by themselves. So you know that I'm standing here solo though by myself. I'm escaping everything when I put everything up in this music. You know that I done got a little label company too. I've been the bee's knees and everybody talking about the king. But you know that they cannot slow down the rain, be forever, can't chief it forever. You know it should be up on the sweater. I'm hotter than any hottie that's sweater. Hey. It is me, I am a king, and I be doing this for everything that I really seen up in my dreams. Too many nightmares that was trying to take me down. I was like, hell no, I look at my grandfather and said it is our time. So I'm standing there now, I'm really proud. All the things that I really was going through back then, you know now. I'm trying to take the rest of the family alone, cause it's time to do it for OTL, cause I've been going strong. Since 16, I've been chasing a dream. Every day I'ma do anything so I can see that dream come true. They thought I was crazy when I was going dumb up in the cell, dropping all them bars. They didn't want to listen, look at the star now. You know I gotta pay attention. Hey, gotta pay attention. They tell me I need to escape, man.